Hello everyone and welcome. It's Chef Jason Morse, your Ace Hardware Grill expert. We're hanging out here at our local Ace Hardware, Highlands Ranch Ace, for another one of our Red Best Approved videos. Today's video is pretty cool. Actually, it's really cool because we're talking about cold weather grilling. We're getting ready for our first round of snow here in Colorado, but I don't want our grilling to end. So what we're doing is talking a little bit about how to add that insulation blanket to the Traeger so that we can extend grilling season all winter long. That's right, we don't want it to stop. We want the grilling lifestyle to continue on, whether it's 10 degrees outside or 20 degrees outside. Traeger has just the solution for us here. And we're gonna show you how to install this insulated blanket onto your Traeger Pro 34 so that you can keep cooking going all winter long. Where do you find all this content? Well, I'll tell you what, we've got some great cold weather tips for you at acehardware.com. On the tips and advice tab up top, click on that tab, type in recipes or type in tips, and you'll find these cold weather tips and more all there for you to download and get ready to enjoy grilling all winter long. All right, are you ready? Let's get cooking. Well, when it comes to cold weather grilling, the first and most important thing I think to point out on the Traeger is make sure you have this covered. You definitely don't want to come out and have to spend 15 or 20 minutes of your warm-up time defrosting ice and things from being stuck. So keep your Traeger covered. It'll help keep your electronics nice and dry. It'll keep your Traeger free of ice buildup, free of snow buildup. And then the minute you take that cover off, guess what? You're ready to put your blanket on and get ready to grill. And like I said before, this Traeger insulated blanket, 35 degrees or colder. Above 35 degrees, definitely not the time to have your insulated blanket. That's more of a time for shorts and flip-flops. So let's get going here. Let's get this guy installed on the Traeger, and we'll show you how to get everything up and running and get you, again, prepped for some cold weather grilling. Okay, we did our unboxing. We've got the Traeger blanket all set and ready to go. And this little guy here, this is gonna be our front piece. And this is actually, with these hooks here, gonna hang on the front edge of your grill. You'll lift the lid open, this will hang on there. And the nice thing about these little D-rings down here is the D-rings on the bottom will tie into the straps around the back. This big, huge piece is actually gonna attach on the handle and then wrap all the way around the back and get it set. So you've got the nice shiny side that's actually gonna go into the grill or onto the grill, and then the gray side will be the exposed side that you will see while you're cooking in the middle of snow. Hopefully in your shorts and flip-flops, right? Because that's how we barbecue here in Colorado all winter long. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open our lid and we're gonna tuck this piece right behind our front shelf. We'll get that set right like that. As you can see, we've got all three clips on the front side. We'll get everything ready. Now that's all set. Then we're gonna close this and we're gonna go ahead and open the shelf, set the shelf up, because now we're gonna lay this guy here. We're gonna open the Velcro. We're gonna go across our handle like so. Get that guy all installed like that. And then we take this back piece and we guide it around the bottom of the Traeger like that. And that is pretty simple, right? That's an easy way to get that installed. The only thing we have to do now is really come underneath the Traeger and get that attached to the D-rings, and we'll show you that here in a second from the ground level. We are all set down here, and what I'm gonna do is reach behind the Traeger, and I'm gonna grab that strap that comes from the back here, and I'm gonna go ahead and feed that into my D-rings, like so, like so. There we go, we'll get that fed in there. And now what I'm gonna do then is run it through. The other guy here, we'll get that all set. And we'll pull that nice and tight. We don't wanna go too tight, but we definitely want that to be taut so that we can get as much of this as tight to the grill as possible. And that's pretty much it. We'll repeat the same thing here on the other side, and that's as simple as it is installing the Traeger blanket. All right, we're here on the other side. We'll reach under there and grab this guy as well. And this is definitely something you're gonna do when your Traeger's off. I'm not gonna have my Traeger fired up and installing the blanket. I'm gonna do it while it's nice and cold. I'm actually gonna do it now in the fall so it's ready. And once again, we pull nice and tight. And that's it, pretty quick, pretty easy, pretty simple. That's how we install our insulated blanket. Well, talk about your have-to-have winter barbecuing tool. This is it. I love the insulated blanket because it helps maintain a really even and consistent temperature on any of my barbecuing, smoking, or grilling projects that I do in that below 35-degree temperature range. We've had one of these on our grill for years, and it's just great. It keeps our winter grilling activities at their peak so that we don't ever have to slow down with the grilling lifestyle. So we've got a great winter barbecuing tip sheet that you can download. You go over to acehardware.com on the recipes and advice tab. Click that in the search engine, type in winter barbecue tips. We've got a great little tip sheet for you to download. That'll help keep you grilling and chilling all winter long. So once again, I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware Grill Expert. Thanks for hanging out with us. We hope you enjoy these tips. Be sure to let us know in the comment section below what other tips would you like? What other advice are you looking for? What can we help you learn how to cook? We want to be as helpful as possible and make sure you are the true legend in the neighborhood barbecue circuit. So thanks so much. Have a beautiful winter. Let's get to grilling and chilling.